Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to find your Roblox user ID on mobile, on iOS and Android devices. So let's get started. First of all, open up any browser on your device. For example, it's Safari or Chrome browser. On search bar enter roblox.com and then go to it. Tap on continue in browser and then log in to your account Roblox. Tap on your profile. Here as you can see your profile icon, and then you should tap on URL search bar, and here you will see after users you should see these numbers. These numbers, it's your user ID. After users slash, and this number is your user ID Roblox. You just copy this and paste wherever you want it. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.